Listen, you can work out, okay? I know a lot of people have heard me say don't work out, and I say for a reason. If you have a serious chronic issue, okay, I wouldn't work out. Why? Because acids. When you're lifting weights, you're building acids. When you are doing high intensity exercise, you're building acids. And these acids, if they can't leave the body, they will stagnate and make things worse. Okay, that's why it's not surprisingly that the bodybuilders, athletes coming to me, and when you look at them, they look fantastic, but they have serious issues. And the reason is that even though their body looks healthy, they're not filtering out metabolic waste, and this weight is piling up, and it's getting worse and worse by the day. So I'm not against working out. I actually encourage it, light exercises, but keep an eye on kidney filtration. What's kidney filtration? That means in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, you urinate into a clear jar, okay? Like something like this lemon here. But your urine should have sediment at the bottom, okay? That tells me that you are eliminating waste, metabolic waste. If you see clear, you're in kind of like in trouble, because where's the waste going? It's going through where your skin. You start having skin issues. It's trying to go through your bowels. It's not as efficient. Okay, metabolic waste at least. So you have to focus on kidney filtration. If you're working out, you should be on high kidney herbs and lymphatic herbs, because you want to make sure your kidneys are filtering out the waste that's accumulating when you lift weights, when you have high intensity exercises. Okay, so that's why you hear me saying over and over again, don't do exercises when you have a serious issue, because when you have a serious issue already, you already have chronic acidosis. Now you're going to exercise more, you're going to make things worse.